What's up and welcome back. It's TFTS channel. Today I am reviewing the Redmi Note 8 Pro. It's not a normal review, it's a full review, design, camera, gaming and fingerprint everything review on this video. Okay, first look at the design. The phone display is a 6.53 inches full HD plus resolution IPS LCD display. It's not a AMOLED display but it's a color quality viewing angles is really looking good. Just watch the video. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
这个下巴的一些控制呢都还是不错的。
I'm feeling good. 这感觉就像在撞撞小路乱撞，撞撞撞小路乱撞，撞撞小路乱撞，撞撞撞小路乱撞。My opinion is the display quality is really good. Also, this phone's speaker sound quality is very loud and it's very clear. And display top side is a water top notch here. Bottom side is a small chain here. It look like the Galaxy S10 Plus type. On the phone top side, IR plaster and secondary noise cancellation mic. Bottom side Type C port, 3.5mm jack and speaker hills here. Phone back is the made by glass and phone left and right side is a little bit curved type glass here. So this device handling grip is really amazing. My handling feeling is really amazing feeling. Phone right side power button and volume rocker case here. Phone left side SIM card tray port here. Redmi mostly promote this device. This is the quad camera setup. Yes guys, it's a quad camera setup here. Main camera is the 64 megapixel Samsung sensor. Second one is the 8 megapixel ultra wide. Last two cameras, one is the 2 megapixel depth sensor, other one is the 2 megapixel macro lens. Depth sensor work on the portrait, then macro lenses work on the small objects photos. Okay, let's look. Normally this camera takes shot on 60 megapixel. You want to change 64 megapixel. Also 60 megapixel and 64 megapixel small difference only. Just I'm show the one photo. Yeah, see the look. Wow, it's pretty good. It's really amazing. I'm take this time. It's a nighttime shot. It's looking really good and capture quality is really amazing. Second camera is the ultra wide 8 megapixel. It's a 0.6x only outzooms here, but it's good. Let's look the macro lens. I'm tapped to on macro lens and see guys, it's a small object and in depth camera unfocused parts only focus this macro lens. Yeah, it's good, really good. Small parts easily focus on the device. Macro lens is really good for both. Let's look the front facing. Front facing is the 20 megapixel front facing camera here. So just I'm taking some shots. Yeah, yeah, this front facing camera is looking good. Just I'm show the photo samples. Yeah, guys, I'm take this shot on night time. It's clearly take the 20 megapixel. So it's cool, really cool. Okay, this phone running on Android 9 built-in MIUI 10. This phone battery capacity is the 4500 mAh battery. Battery backup is really good because MIUI 10 is the best battery optimizer, so battery is good. Lot of the people think this phone processor is the MediaTek's new G090 processor is bad. No, not at all. Reason is a new processor and is the best for ever. I think reason this phone my opinion, this processor is now this time is working really good. I'm already uploaded the gaming review and play the maximum level settings. It's very smooth, no lag, no struggle for the gaming. Nowadays is working really fine. This MediaTek new G090 processor. Yep, this phone variants is the totally lot of the variants available. Starting is the 4GB RAM, 64GB storage variant is starting the 10,000 rupees price. It's good. I think it's the Realme 5 and 5 Pro killer. Yeah, it's Realme is the plastic party, but it's the glass build and the lot of the best processor. Okay, let's find out the fingerprint test. This is not AMOLED display, it's a LCD display. So the fingerprint here on the phone back side. How does it work? The phone fingerprint is faster or slow? Okay, first time set the fingerprint. Okay, it's really fast. It's not bad. It's really fast, guys. See now. Okay, overall my experience, I like this device because the processor is really good for the gaming and all optimization is really good for this processor. It's very smooth. Camera quality is really nice. Okay, guys, what do you think? Do you like this Redmi Note 8 Pro?
What's your opinion? Your opinion comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. I'm already uploaded the gaming review, link in description. Please check it out. And thank you for the watching.